Itong kolehiyo, pinagbuklod ng isang mithing panalo. Isang sandigan, isang lakas, isang pamilyang matatag.
I applied the 5 core values of SINAG: loyalty, commitment, dedication, support, and integrity. But besides the 5 core values, I also applied a really important thing that I learned from SINAG, and that's that you should treat the people around you, especially people that are so close to you, like my council officers, as family, so that you will maintain a level of respect and care for each other, not only as a fellow student or as a fellow leader, but also as a fellow person, that you should care for them in more ways than just leading a house.
Ang pinaka na-focus ko is integrity. So, integrity in the sense that I was given this confidence by the students to lead them in being in the position of Vice President. So, integrity sa pinangako ko, integrity sa tiwala na binigay nila sa akin, integrity na hindi ko ipapahiya yung political party na pinagmulan ko, at integrity na ako bilang si Kevin, na kung ano ba talaga ako as leader.
Treat everyone as your family, as a friend, especially your officers. Try to maintain teamwork to withstand pressure. Enjoy what you're doing, and learn from every single achievement and mistake.
Talagang family tas friends kami. So, solid talaga. So, aside from na mga sobrang saya, matetreasure mo talaga yung mga napagdaanan mong hirap, saya, tsaka mga hard works mo dun sa student council.
They've approached me na parang sabi nila na they've seen na potential in me daw. So, ayun, parang pumunta ako, tinignan ko muna yung sa leadership training kung paano, ganyan. And dun pa lang sa first leadership training na napuntahan ko, alam ko na sa SINAG ako mag-grow.
Siguro yung matuto kang express mo yung ideas mo, i-express mo kung ano yung gusto mo para may magawa ka. Hindi kayo mag-rant lang over something, itirahin mo yung someone over something just to gain something. So,
I think the greatest principle that I have given by SINAG is to stand for your own. It's not actually for your own, but stand by your own and to believe on the principles that you have as a person and as a student.
We made sure na yung mga activities namin for that year was really meant for the students, that talaga magbe-benefit yung lahat ng estudyante, hindi yung for certain people lang.
Pinagbuklod ng isang mithing panalo. Isang sandigan, isang lakas, isang pamilyang matatag. Lahat ng miyembro'y kasama mo, umulat umaraw.
For the 15th year anniversary of SINAG, I just want to see them unite the colleges once more, not only through politics or through campaigns, but through something bigger that can actually mean more to the students.
Hopefully, and God willingly, SINAG will continue to make and create more student leaders na they've proved their stand in the university, they've proved their place in the university na eto yung student leaders na produkto ng SINAG, kasi the student leaders that SINAG create will reflect the political party itself.
I want SINAG to innovate and to stay in the tradition of molding the Lasallian students, to train students to become student leaders and good students, and future upright professionals which are ready to face and live the real world.
Siyempre, bukod sa magtagal pa, tas maging talagang, kasi SINAG talagang sobrang tatag niya Sana mas mapatatag pa nung samahan at saka yung magiging mga bagong members nito at saka magiging bagong pamilya is sobrang mahalin din yung SINAG.
Mag-mold pa ng students na simpleng estudyante na kagaya ko para maging isang leader at maging isang servant sa ating mga estudyante.
Magaling ang SINAG. hindi lang basta-basta nagpo-produce ng leaders, may nararating ang mga leaders. Kumbaga, ganun. After the institution, dito sa institution na to, makikita mo na iba yung laking sinag sa labas ng Lasal.
I think the greatest achievement that I would like for SINAG is to produce again the best leaders that we have and to continue the legacy that it has started for a lot or for a couple of years. And more, I would like SINAG to be more innovative or to achieve more innovation on its strategy so that we can cope with the generation of this present times.
Ang gusto ko ma-accomplish ng SINAG, makapag-produce pa tayo ng mga well-efficient student leaders in the near future and in the upcoming years to come under the SINAG political mind.